Okay, now this is my virtual machine. I have started the virtual machine. It's running. Okay. You go to your server manager, click on local server, click on your Ethernet card because we want to give the IP address. We need to assign the IP address. To assign the IP address, right-click, select Properties, then choose Internet Protocol version 4. Okay. Properties. Use the following IP address. We will use the address given to us in the lab manual, which is 10.0.xxxx is the last 2 digits of your student ID number. Okay. So if it's 1 or 01, you can type. For me, it is 101. Yani. I will choose. And then 1. The last digit should be 1. The IP address is 10.0.xx. Here, the last 2 digits of your ID. 01 or 1. Let's see. Subnet mask is, please, everyone, 255.255.255.0. Default gateway, since we have only one DC, one machine, it will act as our gateway and as our DNS. So the gateway and the DNS are the same of your IP address. So here it is 10.0, please, .xx, which is whatever is your IP address. And for me, it is 1. Okay, got it? And DNS is the same, 10.0.1.1. For you, this one will be your last 2 digits of ID. Yeah. If it was 01, then it is 1 or 01. If it is 03 or 3, the same. But if it's 30, you have to put 30. If it's 30, yeah, always 1. Very good, excellent. Okay. Yes, نفس IP address اللي هو أول واحد. Okay, I will move OK. Don't change anything here. Just say OK. And then close. So now I have configured my IP address. I am ready now to use this machine as DHCP. Now I will go to, again, click on Manage. So we configured our IP address. Now I go back to Manage. Here, click on Manage. Okay, click on Manage. Click on Manage. Okay, Manage here. Add roles and features. Okay. Maximize it. Don't change anything here. Just say next. Next. Don't change anything. Just go by the default. Next. Here I will choose DHCP. Once I click on DHCP, it will open another screen. So click on DHCP, only one click. Look. Yeah, go back. Hard. Again, you go to Manage, Add roles and features. Okay. Next. Here, choose DHCP. Once you choose, it will open this screen for you. That's fine. This means it's okay. Then we will choose add features. Okay. Then you choose next.
So try the validation results.
Yeah, continue. Yeah. I said just go continue. Okay, continue, please.
Can I go next?
Next, don't change anything. Next. Here, check on restart if needed. أساس بعمل restart للسيرفر if needed. Okay. Okay, just say yes. Now click on install. Add roles and features. Shall I go back? Well, okay. I'll go back. We do it from the beginning. Well, okay.
Okay. Install.
Now click on install. خلاص. It will take quickly now. It will install. It's okay for you, no problem, inshallah. You sent him email? لا هو he has different story. Okay, now we got the message. Once you get this, it's finished installing, then you can click on close. I will wait for you, no problem. It's okay, I will wait for you. Yeah. Yeah, okay. صح, you are right. Okay, shall I continue? It's finished. Because it's running in the background. It's okay. Thank you. All right. خلاص, mister. Okay, now click on close. You see it finished in the installation. Close. Now we have added the role of the DHCP, but now we need to configure it. We need to create a scope. So this is the easy part. You go to tools. By the way, these steps are written in Lab3, in the manual, step by step. So you go to tools, choose DHCP, tools, DHCP. It will open this screen for you. شايفين this screen? This is my DHCP management, or MMC, we call it snap the control screen. يعني. Now I will click, this is my server. Click on it. You have one for IP version 4 and IP version 6. We will be working in IP version 4, so I'll click on IP version 4. On IP version 4, right click, and then we are going to create a new scope. So we'll say new scope. I will repeat this part, okay? It's a bit tricky. So let me close this again. Go to tools, DHCP. This is your DHCP screen. Click on the server. You have IP version 4. On IP version 4, right click and then choose a new scope. Okay, then click on next. We are going to give the scope a name. So we will give it the name, scope, and the last 2 digits of your ID. Next. The start IP address of the range, the scope that I will be giving automatically to computers will be from the first IP address, which is 10.0.01 .1. Yeah, XX. Yeah, أحسنت. XX اللي هو 0. Yeah. Last is 100. Yeah. والend اللي هو 100. Okay. Now click here, leave it as default. The duration is 8 days. Sorry, the subnet mask. لا. This one is 24 because we want to make it 24. Class C. Yeah. Click on length, 24 is better. Yes. When you click on 24, it will do 255.255.255.255.0. Even if I keep it like 8, oops. Let's say if it is 8, okay? And then I'll come here and change this into 255. It will change automatically. Now click on, it will change, If you go next, it will change. Yes. If I do, look, next, if I go back, it's 24, you see? Okay, now next. Now it asks me, you want to exclude, you want to give this 100 to anybody? Will some IP numbers, VIP, yani for server, for email server, for printer? I say, yes, I want to exclude. So I will exclude from 1 to 10. So I have 10.0, as we explained it in the classroom, .1 into 10.0.01.10. Okay. So this is excluded. I will say exclusion list. Add. Click on add. And then click on next. All right.
So have 01 or
XX. Next. This is the lease duration. Leave it as default, 8 days, no problem. Now click on next. Now it asks you, do you want to give the extra configuration option and the computers that you will give IP address? Do you also want to configure their gateway and you want to configure their DNS? We say yes. So yes, and then next. What will be the gateway address? Remember, the gateway will be my DC. So it is 10.0.xx.1. 10.0.xx.1. Click on add. Now next. The DNS is already picked up. What is the parent domain in the lab manual? hct.xe or something? Yeah. So here we can type. We can just type lab01.com. Okay. Yeah. Lab01.com. It's not going to the internet. This is just private lab. Okay. You see the DNS is already picked up. Already it picked up the DNS, so I don't need to put it. 10.0.xx on your computer. Okay. This one? Are you sure? I know أنا بعرفه عشان هيك تفاجأت والله. I know you are good. Okay. Next. Now don't do anything for the wins. Yes, I want to activate the scope now. Activate it. If you don't activate it, it will not work. Next. Finish. Now it's all good. All done. Now if I come here, I have my scope. See, if I click on my scope, I have the address pool. It is from 1 to 100. The excluded is from 1 to 10. You want to show me this screen, okay? You will show me this screen when you come here. Any questions? Close the machine. Just hold on.